Yo, what's going on, peoples? What is up, you beautiful savage apes? We got green all around the house today. Was beautiful day. Finally, a good, decent rise in the upwards direction, which we have not been seeing, obviously, the last few months here, to say the very, very least. I am jacked, and the only reason I am jacked, one single thing besides all the years worth of obvious, is there is a ton of bullish articles by your usual suspects, hedge fund owned, mainstream media that are published today. We've got a couple here with GameStop and Microsoft. We've got why the motley fool of all people are saying that AMC is due to for a reversal here. So those jack me up. They've always jacked me up, especially the one about a month ago with GameStop. Remember, it was about 1:20 in the afternoon. The article came out with the GameStop partnership with the whole NFT thing. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, we gained $50 real quick, right? So is this going to happen tomorrow? I don't know. But I certainly do like it. The fire is smoldering. And then I found the coolest damn, speaking of all these Pelosi's and Jay Powell's and all that, I don't know how I've never seen this before, but I'll share it with you guys at the end here. It's how you can look up who owns what in the upper level of the Americas here. So we'll touch on that too. So yeah, what a damn good day here. GameStop 12.96% up to 115.60, flatter than a flapjack in after hours as usual. AM Sizzle 2.19% up, and dead even after hours. Look at that. Not a cent down or up movement. So good green day. We will take that all day long. All damn day. Here's the remainder of the fire here. And the more I look at this thing, let's blow this damn thing up here. Now, this is a helicopter shot, so it looks a little bit smaller. It's obviously a huge ass building, but how does this thing burn to the absolute ground? Look at this. Look at the size of this crane down here. You know, that's a big piece of machinery. There's another one here. Another one here. Look how tiny. They look like little tiny Matchbox toys down here. That's it, folks. There's all your evidence. So today we finally cooled down. Are we on day 5 of the fire? So this is it, boys and girls. You're looking at it. There is the aftermath. Jesus, man. More on that to come, right? Tomorrow. Apparently, we are double G, my boy. Tomorrow's going to be the world is watching, Gary. Everybody and their mother are going to be tuned in tomorrow talking about the meme stocks. 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 o'clock. I will be up, present with bells on to watch this. I'm really excited to see how many folks are going to be watching this, streaming, doing whatever. But Gary, we are watching. I'll share this link. Obviously, you can click on this damn thing here, and it'll get you to the webcast. But that is tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern. Do not forget, you fine folks. I'm sure you will not. So let's see what Gary says tomorrow. Don't get your hopes up, but still, let's just see. The exchange, the volume by exchange, off exchange, we're back up here. Remember yesterday, GameStop 38, now we're at 47. I'm keeping a close eye on this. 45, now we're at 54. So, yeah, whatever. We'll see. Keep your eyeballs peeled on that one. Now, here's one of the articles here. Actually, 2. Let's touch on 2. About the same thing. GameStop stock up on rumors on Microsoft NFT game partnership. GME rises 9.8% due to rumors of partnership with Microsoft on NFT. Although not officially confirmed, GameStop and Microsoft are likely to partner in launching one or several NFT games. Rumors of the news are quickly spreading up in social media, mainly Reddit and Twitter, with stock raising by 9.8% at the writing. This was posted today. I'm not, if it did happen, it's obviously monstrous news. What's got me more thinking here, are they expecting a run tomorrow with these fake news and trying to justify why the stock is running? I don't know. we are going to have to obviously keep our eyes peeled on that tomorrow. Kind of a short little article by Best Stocks. This other one, FX Street, saying basically the same thing. A couple tweets they're showing, right? So obviously, folks, take with a rock of salt, not a grain, but a huge giant boulder of salt. So let's see what happens tomorrow, right? And then also, too, posted today by the Motley Fool of all people. Hedge funds are getting stiff-armed. Oh, Jesus, I had the articles back up. Let's go like this, folks. Small error there. AMC looks like it's finding a bottom. Here's why. This is a Benzinga article. Close enough to the Motley Fool, right, folks? Just kind of going through the stock, blah, 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 blah. AMC Daily Chart Analyst. They're giving you 3 reasons why there could be a reversal from Benzinga. Remember, Benzinga, not our friends, the mainstream media that has put out BS article after BS article all year long. We're on 12, 13 months of reading their nonsense. But it's got me thinking. Today, 3:40 p.m., this son of a gun came out. Well, this was this morning. This one was today. So anyway, they're both today. They're all today. You get what I'm saying? But they are saying AMC shares are approaching resistance in what traders call a downtrend channel as the stock is possibly beginning to see a reversal. Stock trades below the 50-day moving average. The relative strength index, RSI, has been climbing the past few weeks and now sits at 37 on the indicator. So why in God's green earth are they telling us this? Folks. So obviously, let's keep an eye on tomorrow. I'm not saying anything. I'm not predicting anything. I don't know if we're going to run tomorrow. We don't know jack squat. But this has got me jacked to the gills. Love it. Hedge funds are getting stiff-armed in a renewed quest for cash. The Motley Turd Fool. That's what I had the articles mixed up. Sorry, folks. Long story short down here. The main thing I wanted to touch on is this right here. Ransacked by Redditors, right? Everything's got to be Reddit's fault, right? They've also proven vulnerable to sharp volatility. Retail investors coordinating on Reddit's infamous Wall Street Bets community last year on knocking billions off of some hedge fund last year by targeting their short positions. Major fund Melvin Capital famously needed a bailout to survive. Others were clobbered when Beijing cracked down on private education companies, blah, blah, blah. Investors put $24 billion into hedge funds, a $4 trillion industry, from January to September of 2021. So $24 billion into hedge funds from January to September 2021, according to HFR, compared to the $110 billion they've taken out in the last 3 years. Okay, some firms have even waved the white flag. Blah blah values 1.3 firm hedge fund DSAM. Both clients in recent months they've been returning the money. White Square Capital also shut down in the summer. Tanked by Redditors. So everything's Reddit's fault. Poor retail with their little tiny Reddit boards and their little DDs and their little meme posts are just poor hedge funds. Oh, man. That's a damn shame, isn't it? Screw yourself. AM Sizzle Theaters reaches lease agreement with URW, announces additional high-profile major market acquisition of former ArcLight locations in the D.C. and San Diego area. So this was posted today. Apparently we got some new movie theaters. I seen something else. What was it? Not an IMAX, but a damn Regal. A couple of them went south as well today. So again, folks, movie theaters are dead. We got Batman coming up and your fancy schmancy NFTs, ETFs, whatever the hell those things are they're giving you, right? The NFTs. So yeah, that's good news. That is a good, solid piece of news, folks. This thing here, I cannot get off of this right here. This is outstanding. Look at this, even got an app for it anyway. But anyway, capital trades. Look at this. Recent trades. Select a politician. Select your politician. Okay, folks. Select Congress type. Okay, you got little filters here. Select which company you want to look at. Political party. Asset types. You just filter sort your way to the moon here, right? And then you can see what these fine folks are investing in. Now, I did spend about 20 minutes going through this. This is exciting. This is pretty cool. I did not see this. Apparently, this was posted somewhere. Somebody sent it to me, but this is super funny. Yeah, so I looked up who's holding AMC, GME, most of the stuff that we already knew about because of the news and blah blah blahs. But anyway, super cool. I love it. Okay, Gary, please do something tomorrow, man. Please. What are we thinking, you guys? Let me know in the comments here what in the hell is going to happen. Probably nothing. That's what I don't want to say I think that. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but what's he going to come out and say? Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1, margin calls and the stock runs up. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, we're always optimistic, but you never know, right? So what are we popping in tonight for this homework activity? I really like these articles here. These BS articles and the AMC. Maybe something's brewing tomorrow. Okay, I'm done rambling. I'm going to fire this thing in for your pleasure and the SEC link too, so you can get the web stream or webcast tomorrow, February 9th, 2022, 10 a.m. Eastern. Click that damn link and it'll fire you right into there. Okay, guys, nice green day today. Let's keep it up tomorrow. Let's see what the stupid articles are all about. And that's it. And let's see what happens with this meeting in the morning. I'm jacked up for that. All right, guys, that's it. Peace.